So hey yo mga kasyosyo, it's me again, DK Vlog, boom! So hey yo mga kasyosyo, it's good to be back. It's almost, I think it's almost 7 or 6 months na tayo hindi nakapag-vlog. So sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel, please subscribe my channel. And please don't forget the notification bell. So, whoo! I miss you guys, I miss you mga kasyosyo. So, ang gagawin po natin ay mag Q&A / mukbang challenge po tayo. So, kita nyo naman sa title na sa YouTube channel, sa title dyan sa kung ano-ano. So, hindi na tayo mag-chat ng mga kung ano-ano dyan. So, let's get started our challenge. Let's go! Mamamagicin natin yung mga pagkain na aking kakainin. So, 3, 2, 1. Boom! So, ang kakainin po natin ay paboritong pagkain ng mga Pinoy, pansit canton at proven at pandesal at cookies and cream and this knickknacks. Okay, let's get it on. So hey yo mga kasyosyo, so let's get started. By the way mga kasyosyo, ang Q&A po natin ay ask me about sex. So, madami-dami pong nagko-comment pero mayroon pong ibang nagko-comment na paulit-ulit pero okay lang yan. So, shout out po sa mga nagko-comment dito. Shout out Vividuro. Woo! So, ito na mga kasyosyo. First question. Favorite position or ano bang comment dito? Fab position. Basta ito na yun. By Ashley Nicole Sarin. So, ang favorite position ko po ay yung nakahiga. yung nakatakilid. Yan po. Yan po favorite position ko po. Thank you for that beautiful question. At next, ito po ating next question. What? By Alex Gonzalez. Ang question po niya ay anal sex. Hindi pa po ako nakatry ng anal sex kahit sa buong buhay ko po, wala. Hindi po ako nakatry ng anal sex. So, thank you for that beautiful question, Alex Gonzalez. So, next question. Have you tried to suck your own dick by Joel Pitos Villasorda? No, that's a beautiful question. No. I never tried to suck my own dick because that's so, fuck. So, next question. By Ashley Nicole Sarin again. How many rounds you can handle in just 1 hour? I think just in 1 hour, I think rounds, I think 1 lang. Kasi po pag kami sa aking jowa ay sex po kami ay talagang 1 round lang talaga kahit sa isang buwan kuan po kami nagsisex ay mga 3 to 4 like that lang, 3 to 4 sex. So, and bawat sex po namin ay 1 round lang talaga. So, next question. Have you ever tried to play with your balls? Fuck that question, man. By Joel Pitos Villasorda. I never tried to play my balls, but sometimes I try. Ginagalaw po natin ang boss kasi may gumagalaw na sa boss natin. Like, tingnan mo yung mga lalaki, lahat ng boss natin ay gumagalaw. Tignan nyo. Promise, totoo yan. Next question by Ella Navarro. Ang question po niya ay, where do you love to have sex? I think somewhere po. Kung saan po. Kahit ma-public o ma-private man yan. Man, I love sex. So, yun na yun. Next question. Sino dyan? T Quadra. Have you ever tried having sex with a gay? No. That's a big no for me because I never tried to have sex in same sex because that's so bad. Ew, man. So, next question po tayo. By Sasay Paltingka. Have you ever tried really reaching out for the other side? What? So, Sasay Paltingka, hindi ko po naiintindihan yung question mo, pero I'll try my best to answer. So, I think yung question mo ay nagse-sex ako sa iba or ano dyan. Hindi pa ako masasagot sa question mo kasi, man, I don't really understand. Sorry, Sasay Paltingka, sorry. Okay, by Ashley Nicole Sarin again and again. Her question is, what was the most embarrassing moment while you're having a sex? Yung nagsisex kami sa bahay ng aking jowa at pumasok ang kanyang tito at muntik kaming nakita niya na nakahubad lahat. Kaya ayun, bumilis akong kumilos like flash and boom, like that. Pumasok ako sa isang maliit na cabinet. Actually, hindi po, at yung time na yun ay hindi po kami legal ng kanyang parents. At yung na-experience ko yun ay parang, you know, tago-tago lang yung sex and hide like that. So, alam niya yun. So, thank you for that beautiful question. So, let's proceed to other questions. So, by Jan Flores, are you loud or quiet during sex? Ma'am, I'm so quiet. Like, man, quiet. So, thank you for that beautiful question. So, let's proceed to Anel Paltingka. His question is, can you fuck with me? Man, no, I can't fuck with you because you're a boy. And I know we're best friend, but man, no. So next question, by Chuking de la Cruz. Unsay pinakataas nimo nga round? So, kung hindi mo po naiintindihan, ang question po niya ay, ano pong pinakataas ko na round? 1 lang. But, yung jowa namin, yung wala pa kaming anak, yung, you know, girlfriend and boyfriend po kami, like, we're teenagers, nakakaabot po ako na rounds ng 5 to 6 rounds. Yes, ganyan po ako sex addict noon. Pero ngayon, 1 round lang talaga kaya ko kasi hina na talaga eh. Si Junior ay umuuplok na eh. Dumadaw na si Junior. So, next question by Ashley Nicole Sarin again. Ipasulod or ipagawas? Then why? So, hindi nyo intindihan yung question. Ang question po niya ay, in or out? Then why? Noon, out. Withdrawal po ako noon. Pero ngayon, yung jowa ko ay nagiinom na po ng pills. So, in. And it's so very good when you in your sperm. Yes. That real talk, man, real talk. So, thank you for that beautiful question. So, by Anel Paltingka, sobrang sarap. I know. By Joel, again. Joel Pitos Beserda. Why do you like sex? Because I love sex. Next question. Have you ever tried sex while eating popcorn? Shit, that's a beautiful question, no? Man, that's a beautiful question. No, I never tried, but I want to try. You know, like that, and while you're eating popcorn, damn, so good. But I never tried, so moving on. To Natsume L. Wakabayashi, ang question po niya ay, pila kalalain na babae mong natrayan, anak? So, sa hindi po nakaintindi, ang question po niya ay, ilan na ba yung yung na-sex ko na iba't ibang babae? This is for the heart, man. As for heart question, man, this is true. I only sex with my jowa only. And one girl lang po, yung jowa ko ngayon. Yes po, totoo po yan. So, sa hindi naniwala dyan. So, next question to Andro Orisha Magbag. How do you describe yourself being sex addict? For ulit, noon, I describe myself, I love sex talaga. I love sex, you know, because sex is life, you know. Alam niyo yan, boys, na sex is life. Hindi po tayo mabubuhay kung walang sex. Kaya, sex there, sex here, sex everywhere. And for that question, I describe myself, you know, I'm just a human. I know, because human need sex. I cannot describe myself, I'm a maniac, but you know, I'm just a normal guy. I'm just a normal guy, just loving sex, you know. So, thank you for that beautiful question, Andrew Bisha Magbag. So, moving on. So, by Zorem de la Peña, sa isang kaagdaw, ikapilasyo. Again, sir, hindi nakaintindi sa kanyang question. His question is, wait, I will get some drinks. Okay, let's proceed. Ang question po niya ay, how many, you know, putok sa isang araw? His question is, I think, how many rounds sa isang araw? Yung isa naman ay ilang rounds sa isang oras. Ito question ay ilang rounds sa isang araw. Sa isang araw po, mga kasyusyo, ay isa lang po talaga. Noon, sa isang araw, yung hindi pa ako tatay, sa isang araw ay umaabot ng 6 rounds. But ngayon ay naging tatay na ako, medyo hina na si Junior. Men, isa lang talaga yung kaya ko, men. So that's all. That's all the question, and I didn't finish my food. But sa lahat po na nag-comment sa Q&A ko, thank you so much. Thank you so much po. So that's it. So kung bago ka lang sa akin channel, please subscribe my channel, and please don't forget the notification bell, and please click the like button below. So thank you mga kasyosyo. Peace.